Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best yard gifts for women available, the Solar Cat Outdoor Statue. This charming piece not only enhances your garden but also lights up your nights with its solar-powered LED feature. Let's explore why this could be the perfect addition to your outdoor space. This Solar Cat statue isn't just a garden ornament. It's a delightful blend of functionality and aesthetics. Crafted with attention to detail, it features a cat with a butterfly, adding a whimsical touch to any garden or porch. The solar panel charges during the day, ensuring the LED light illuminates the statue beautifully at night. First off, let's talk about its size. Measuring 11.3 centimeters wide and 20.3 centimeters high, it's perfectly sized for various outdoor settings. The statue is easy to use. Simply turn it on and let it charge during the day. It will automatically light up at dusk. It's made from durable materials, suitable for all weather conditions, ensuring longevity. Ideal as a gift, whether for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any occasion, it's sure to bring a smile to cat lovers. Enhances your garden decor effortlessly, blending in with plants, flowers, or as a standalone piece. Offers up to 8 to 10 hours of illumination after a full day's charge, making it both practical and decorative. In conclusion, the Solar Cat Outdoor Statue is more than just decor. It's a conversation starter and a mood setter for your outdoor spaces. Whether for yourself or as a gift, this statue combines charm with functionality, making it a standout choice. If you're interested in adding this delightful solar cat to your garden or giving it as a gift, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique. See you next time.